We'll guide you through how to change track color in Premiere Pro. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because managing multiple clips and editing can become confusing without clear visual organization. Changing track colors helps editors quickly identify different media types, scenes, or elements in the timeline. This improves workflow efficiency, reduces mistakes, and makes complex projects easier to navigate, especially when working with many layered clips. To begin, run the Premiere Pro program on your computer and allow it to fully load. Once the application is open, create a new project or use an existing file if you already have one prepared. If you decide to create a new project, click the New Project option from the Start screen. After that, enter a name for your project so it can be easily identified later. Next, choose a media file that you want to use for your new project and import it into the workspace. Once your media is ready, set your media into your timeline by dragging it into the sequence area. After placing in the timeline, customize your imported media as you wish by trimming, adjusting, or organizing it according to your needs. If you want to include text, add a text layer into your timeline and position it where needed. Then, import another media file so you can apply track color changes to multiple clips. To change the track color, right-click on your media clip in the timeline to open the context menu. From the options provided, choose the label option to access available color settings. Pick a color from the list to change the appearance of your selected track or clip. After changing one clip, also change your other media clips in the timeline by assigning each one a different color to better organize your project visually. Repeat the exact same process for all clips you want to modify until each has a distinct color label. This helps you quickly identify different elements during editing. Once you have finished organizing your clips with colors, proceed to export your project. Click the Quick Export button located in the interface to begin the export process. Finally, press Export to save the completed project onto your computer.